Hello there. I want to teach you in this lesson how to answer the question uhamba lobani in a different way. So in one of the first few lessons, we answered the question uhamba lobani in the simplest way, where you say I'm going with or I'm walking with, and you would be talking about one person. But so now I want you to be able to say that I am going with two people, my father and my mother. I'm going with my friend and Jack, right? So you want to be able to answer that question after this lesson. Okay, that's what I'm teaching you. So, whom are you going with to the, let's start with that. You want to ask someone, whom are you going with to church? Whom are you going with to school, right? You're going to say, uhamba lobani and then insert the name of the place that you're asking about. Okay, so let's use that in examples. You want to say, whom are you going with to town? Uhamba lobani edolobheni. Okay, that's the question. Whom are you going with to church? Uhamba lobani esontweni. Angithi. And whom are you going with to school? Uhamba lobani esikolo. So please note, you're going to use this question when you're asking about someone's plans for the near future. You know, if someone is going to school, like I'm going to school in the next few minutes, then you can ask them, uhamba lobani esikolo. All right, that's where you use it. So similarly, someone is about to leave for the hospital, right? She's going to the hospital. So you want to ask, whom are you going with to the hospital? Uhamba lobani esibhedlela. All right, that's where you use this kind of questioning. And then so now you want to answer these questions, right? You want to say, I'm going with mom and her brother. Okay, uncle. Ngihamba lo mama lo malume. You use lo to join two people. Okay, I'm going with mom and is lo in that sentence. All right, ngihamba lo mama lo malume. Okay, you want to say I am going with grandmother and grandfather. Ngihamba lo gogo lo khulu. Always use lo to join two people. All right. Someone asks you who uhamba lobani. You want to say I'm going with dad and his sister. So uzakuthi wena ngihamba lo babakazi. Remember, dad's sister is ubabakazi, whether she's younger or older than him. All right. Next, let's say this is you. You want to say I'm going with my brother and my sister. Ngihamba lo mnewethu lo dadewethu. You're using lo there to join umnewethu and udadewethu. All right. Ngihamba lo mnewethu lo dadewethu. Remember, mom's sisters, depending on whether she's the elder sister or the younger sister, they've different names, right? So you want to say I'm going with mom's elder sister and mom's younger sister. Ngihamba lo mamdala lo mamncane. Is it making sense? Ngihamba lo mamdala lo mamncane. Umbuzo. How would you then say, you want to talk about three people now. You want to say I'm going with mom, my brother and my sister. Let me know in the comments how you would structure that sentence, or how you would say it, right? Ngihamba lo, how are you going to say mom, brother and my sister? The three of them. Okay, let me see you in the next lesson. Bye.